Hey guys, so I had a great question that came up today about welding letters together so that when you cut it out, it's all one piece. There are a couple of really easy ways to do this. One of them is the new function in LightBurn 2.1 that brings us into Cuddle, but I'll get into that in just a minute. Let me show you how to do it manually first so you guys have an idea of how you can do this. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and write my name. I'm going to pick a font that I like. There's a couple of really cool ones I've just downloaded that I absolutely love. Ooh, that one's pretty. See, now I'm going to get stuck trying to figure out what I want. There we go. That's the one I want. Okay, so I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. I am going to go up here to my little font space up here where all my fonts live and everything lives together. And I'm going to adjust my H space. That's my horizontal space or my spacing between my letters. If I do that, I can kind of squish them together just enough so that they touch. And then I can make sure welded is on. That way, when I cut these out, so let me turn this into a line. When I cut these out, it cuts out all as one piece, except for this little eye right here, which, as we know, we're going to have to dig that out of our crumb tray, unless, of course, we put a little tab on it. I've got a tab video out there if you guys want to see that and learn how to do that. But yeah, that's all there is really. It looks like I might have to squish it just a little bit more to get that E there, but there it is. It is all one. So now I can cut this out and lay them together. If I was doing a double layer for this, I would cut it out like that and cut out my letters individually. That way I could overlay them if I wanted to. But if you want them all welded together, this is going to be the easiest way to do it. Use that H, squish them together, and go ahead and put welded. Now, if you want them welded and scored, so there's sort of definition between there, there's a few ways to do that. There's a really, really hard way, and then there's the new way where Cuddle has been integrated with LightBurn. Guys, I am not affiliated with Cuddle or with LightBurn. I just like this tool. So we can go into Cuddle. It's going to pull me into another website, and I can go into my templates. Let's go into, there is a thing called Weld and Score on here. I'm going to move this page right here. I'm going to go to Weld and Score. Sorry, I'm trying to make this small enough for everybody to see it. It's not doing what I want it to do. Here we go, here we go, here we go. All right, so I can customize this template. I can go in here, it says Paisley. Now I can make it say Jessie. And I can change this to Sickle, which I like. Let's see. This is always the fun stuff. Sunday Melon, that's a pretty one. Okay, so I have the Pro right now. If you don't have Pro, you can use a bunch of different ones here that are not Pro. We can leave it here. There's still some great options if you're not subscribed to Cuddle. There's a lot of free stuff you can do on here. So what this is going to do now is it's going to cut everything in red, and it's going to just score out everything in blue and allow me to still have definition. So I'm just going to send this to LightBurn. When I do that, it automatically brings it into LightBurn for me, and I can resize it. Now, in order to score, I do need to make sure that my line here is set to faster speed and lower power. Typically, I'm going to run this at like 225. Again, yours is going to vary, but what I'm looking to do when I score is just not have it cut through the material. So that is a super easy way to do it. Let me blow this up for you so you can kind of see what happens. So now I've got the name. Right here. And then I've got all these lines that are just going to score out. But this whole piece will cut out as one piece, and then it'll score to give it definition. Hope that helps someone today. And by the way, Jessie, this one was for you. I'll see you again soon.